right, folks, we're underway here in the second game of the NXT Cup. Tornadoes out of Long Island, New York, going up against Mad Dog Lacrosse out of New Jersey. Trying to find my camera angles here. And after a prolonged scrum, Maloney comes up with it for the Legacy Tornadoes. And off we go. Pass gets knocked down, recovered, and he scrambles off the field. We do have four 12-minute quarters here in this tournament, and timekeeping for the first game was pretty much spot on. Drummer goes hard, shoots wide, backed up by Rooney behind the cage. He'll be inbounding. Rooney's got his man beat, passes, shoots, scores. That's Rooney to Travato, it looked like. Puts the first point on the board for the Tornadoes. All right, as I was saying before, there are four 12-minute quarters. Horns are pretty darn accurate so far. And these guys faced off a good minute after the first horn, so this will be an abbreviated quarter. But that's part of tournament lacrosse. Prolonged scrum here. Mad Dogs do come up with it eventually. He's looking to shoot. Gets turned away by Drummer. Shoot really far left. Shot gets pulled. Ball stays white. Costantino keeps his man out up top. Number 4 is looking to shoot, hits the brakes. Loose ball. Drummer's going to pull that one up, and off we go. Oh, the pass, Paul falls out of the back of the stick. Rooney was wide open down there in the bottom left. Not able to convert, but we'll take the loose ball push, which will retain possession for the Tornadoes. That's Mullins to Costantino. He's got Drummer waiting there. Pass to McManus doesn't connect. He was battling on the crease there. Pass across the crease doesn't connect. Runs out of bounds. Ball turns over to White. Mad Dog steps across the midfield line. Mad Dog has a personnel change. They swap out a midfielder. Long pass up to a midfielder. Squaring off against Johnny Mullins. Johnny keeps him out. Nice job, John.
Good job. Good to go, AJ. Good job.
We got a push, loose ball push, retain possession, no penalty. Shot goes wide, chased down by their X-position player, and he'll be inbounding from back behind the cage.
Careful there, you guys. Yeah, no climbing. Miss Meredith said so.
Loose ball, hockeyed out to the front by Drummer. Mad Dog comes up with it. Number 4 is winding up, looking for a shot. They're keeping him out. Nice job. That was Mullins and Drummer covering number 17. It looked like he was trying to find his way in for a shot. That's Wyatt Ben back behind the cage, giving the business to number 3, I think that is. Four minutes remaining here in the first quarter. Pass doesn't connect, rescued by the attackman. That pass, tough to pull in by number 15, but he pulls it off the ground. And force a turnover here. Splits the defense, shoots, goes wide. Ball is backed up by a Mad Dog player. Ball will stay white. New midfielder enters, big man, green stick. Chase Rogers, chasing him into the corner. Ball is batted down by Rogers. Runs out of bounds. Ball stays white. Under 3 in the first quarter. My watch is probably a good 10 seconds off or so from the official game clock. All right, so we forced him out of bounds, forced a turnover. Chase is going to carry, dishes off to Colin. Colin sends it up to Peacock. Peacock gets pushed on the reception. Ball goes out of bounds. What are they calling here? They're calling a loose ball push. I think that's Costantino carrying. He beats his man, working his way over the midfield line. I've got 2 minutes remaining. That was Costantino, confirmed by number 22. That was a really long possession for Mad Dog that wasn't able to convert to anything. Ball hits the ground, scooped up by Ryan Cunningham. Passes back to McManus. Big man chasing him down. He's got a step on him. Costantino runs, shoots, hits the top crossbar, ricochets in, puts a point on the board for the Tornadoes, setting the score at 2-0 here with just a little over a minute remaining here in the first quarter. Cunningham down for a face-off after our tornado goal. We've got under a minute here in the first quarter. I'm speculating roughly 20 seconds or so. Illegal procedure on Mad Dog. Tornadoes will take the ball. I'm guessing we got about 10 seconds here. There we go. Horn blew. I was 5 seconds off my guess. That wraps up the first quarter. Current score, Tornadoes 2, Mad Dog 0. Back in a bit.
Go, bud.
Joining back from our first intermission between quarters 1 and 2. Looks like we've got Costantino down for the face-off. Sorry, that was Cunningham. There's a lot of glare down there. I really can't see so well. Started that about 20 seconds after the horn had blown. So we're going to get pretty much a full quarter here. Mad Dogs settling their offense. Somebody out on GLE. Pushes back up. So, by no means am I a lacrosse expert, but this offense that they're running seems to be very much focused on unassisted goals. They're just trying to get a midfielder to run downhill and shoot. Gee whiz. We're a full 2 minutes in now. And these guys really know how to kill a clock. Going downhill. Nice job there keeping him out. It's Cunningham keeping him out. Shot goes wide. Chased down by a Mad Dog player, and the ball will stay white. It's Morioni defending. Shot goes wide. Chased down by a white player. Ball will stay white. Okay, we got an attackman carrying up. Ball dropped by number 8. I'm up on the bleachers and there is a bit of wind right now. Just use that as a marker. I'm curious to see how well it's being covered off by the microphone. Mad Dog player turns, shoots, scores, puts one up in the top, puts a point on the board for them. Sets the score 2-1 here. Mullins down for a face-off here after a Mad Dog goal. Prolonged clamp. Mad Dog comes up with it. Sorry, I think I started panning a little too soon. I apologize if that was out of frame. So we are a full 4 minutes or more into this game. We haven't had an offensive possession yet. These guys really know how to hold on to the ball. Or more importantly, the clock. He's going to try to beat him. Shot goes wide, deflected by number 14. He touched that. Shouldn't that be an out of bounds? Refs don't call it, and Mad Dog's got the ball, again running downhill. Shot goes wide, backed up by another Mad Dog player, And around we go. Okay, shot saved by Parkin. Ball turns over here on the shot. We got 20 seconds. Pass doesn't connect. And ball turns over. All right, got lucky on a bad pass there, otherwise we were outmanned. We're a full 6 minutes into this half and we haven't seen an offensive possession yet. Shot goes wide. Backed up by number 6. Ball will stay white. This is quite possibly the most boring lacrosse I've ever watched. Drummer's on his horse. Shot saved. Scooped up by, that was Wyatt Ben. Outlet pass connects to Drummer. And we're finally moving up into their zone. Passes up to, I think that's Peacock, who got pushed out of bounds and turns the ball over. Gets beat. And we're back in our zone. Mad Dog performing a personnel change on the fly here, consuming yet more clock. You know what we're going to do here? They're just going to try to shoot from the outside. Why are we just not leveling them? All right, pass feeds to the crease, doesn't connect. Collins got the ball, sends it off to Lars. Lars carrying. Sorry, that's Aiden. That's not Lars. Oh, ball goes loose. Okay, strategic timeout there. We were risking our 20 seconds to cross over. And we're going to go to timeout. That was a tornado timeout. Back in a minute. All right, we are back from a tornado timeout. On the whistle, we're underway. We've got officially 2 minutes remaining here in this second quarter. This is our first time in our offensive zone, or their defensive zone. Rooney's pass doesn't connect. Chased down by, I think that's Braden, who's rose through trouble. Okay. There's Travato. Travato feeds the crease. No push with possession called there. They got a loose ball push they're calling. Ball will stay blue. I've got 1:27 on the clock here. We need to put a point on the board before we go into the half. There it is. Oh, they're calling a crease infraction. That's nonsense. Well executed offensive play there by the Tornadoes, and the referee is not on our side. Pass doesn't connect. Scooped up by Morioni. Nice job there, Anthony. Up to Braden. Braden to Rooney. Nobody to go to from there. Oh, they're giving you the lane. Just beat this kid and go. Oh! Well-timed pass. Hits the pipe on Travato's shot. Heck of a shot. I got 23 seconds on the clock. Morioni puts a stick on him. All right, they're able to keep him out of the crease, keep him away from the goal, unable to shoot. I got 9 seconds on my clock. Man down. 1 second, and there's the horn. They were spot on with the horn. And we're going to go into the half with a lead of 2-1. We'll be back. All right, we're about to face off here. There's the horn. And we are underway. Ball scoots through. Rye flies legs. Scooped up by a Mad Dog player. We're back on D. I'm really shooting into the sun right now. I'm having a hard time seeing the field through the camera here, so I apologize if I missed something. Here we go again. All right, Chase Rogers puts on his best impersonation of a wall. He's out of bounds. Wrong line. So Chase Rogers, after knocking the snot out of a attackerman, picks up the ball, runs, and misreads the field. There is a bright white line, which you'd assume to be the out of bounds, but they're actually playing a faded yellow line. It's marked by cones. I would assume that's an honest, genuine mistake. Hard to tell. So turnover, we're back on D, and here we go. And a big attack in the back there. Number 11, big check, no flag on it. Oh, they find a waiting attackman who one-times it into the top shelf, ties the score at 2. All right, we're facing off after a Mad Dog goal, tying the score at 2. We're here in the second half, just about 2 minutes into the third quarter. A face-off goes blue. AJ's carrying. This is Travato near side. He's carrying back. Coach is calling for a pass to Rooney. Rooney goes left side. Oh! Finds the corner, but the goalie makes a great save there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Long pass to an awaiting attackman. Number 4 is charging. Shoots, goes wide. Oh yeah! They don't call the push without possession. Hopefully somebody is going to. I didn't hear what that call was. He called traveling. I don't know what traveling means here. But Chase Rogers moving the ball up. That's Rooney. Carrying across the midfield line. Feeds over to Travato. Feeds. There we go. That's Travato to Drummer. Drummer 1 times it top shelf. Puts another point on the board for the Tornadoes. All right, facing off after a Tornado goal. Puts the score at 3-2 in favor of the Long Island Blue Tornadoes. That looks to be Cunningham down for the face-off. We got a long scrum here. Long pole comes up with it and knocks it loose. There we go. That's Patrick Maloney knocking that ball loose. Finds Ryan. The pass doesn't work. Ryan's trying to chase it down before it goes out of bounds, and he does save it. Oh no, that was not a cool call. That was bad. They're going to call what? I'm really feeling the deck is stacked against us right now. So apparently they're allowed to steamroll our goalie, but we're not allowed to check theirs. Yeah. So on that, we're going to go man down, it looks like. On the whistle, I got 5:22 remaining, assuming this is a 60-second penalty. Chase it. All right, big man, big shot, pretty wide. So, Mad Dog man up, puts a point on the board, tying it at 3. And we'll be back in a moment. All right, back after a Mad Dog goal, ties it at 3. Looks like Costantino is back in the game here, facing off. 4:04 on the clock. There we go. Oh, all right, Costantino comes up with the face-off. Tornadoes have a much-needed possession here. Peacock is carrying here on the right side. Where's McNamara in this game? Roll. He's to Rooney. No one's at X. Morioni goes to the cage, gets checked down. Push without possession, they're calling. Ball will stay blue. I've got under 3 minutes remaining here in the third quarter. Oh, the feed to Peacock. Didn't pull it in. It's McManus, back up to Costantino. Costantino's got to step on his man. Shoots bottom shelf. There we go. Puts the score at 4-3.
Nice, Andrew. Get it back.
I got 1:30 on the clock here, facing off here at the end of the third quarter. Tornadoes 4, Mad Dog 3. Big box out there by Patrick. Ball goes white. I got 1:07 on the clock here. You know he's going to go downhill. You know he's going to go right. Big bounce, goes high.
There it is.
Nice box out there by Coleman. The other attackman comes in. Ball scoots into the crease. Outlet pass to Cosentino. Ball rolls long, turns over, 10 seconds.
There it is. Come on, Connor. There you go.
And right on the money, they got the clock done. That's going to wrap up the third quarter. Going into this break, Tornadoes 4, Mad Dog 3. Back in a moment. Okay, we're just about to get started here in the fourth quarter. Let me get this mic situated. Face off goes blue. Much needed possession. Up we go. Present score, Tornadoes 4, Mad Dog 3. Current attack package, Rooney, McManus, Peacock. Rooney's got his man beat. Rooney finds Mullins. Mullins dodges. Cosentino looking to go downhill. All right, turn, shoot, scores. Punches it in the top left corner. Adds another point to the Tornado tally. Currently at 5. 5-3. Okay, facing off after a Tornado goal. That was Cosentino that went to the cage unassisted. Ball is tossed into the air a few times, and Mad Dog comes up with it, heading upfield into the Tornadoes' defensive zone. Under 10 minutes remaining here in the game. We are in the fourth quarter. Big man dishes to a crease man. Patrick Maloney comes up with it off the ground. His horse is moving quick. I think he's looking to go downtown. Shot is saved. Oh! Rooney picks up the rebound, sends it home. There was a flag down on a helmet infraction, so no goal on that one. But we will go man up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on the whistle, 8:44 on the clock, 60-second penalty. Tornadoes have Peacock, Travato, and Rooney. Looks to be Drummer, McManus, and Cosentino on field. Shot gets deflected, picked up by Peacock. Oh no. Travato takes a shot across the crease. Saved by the goalie. He's chased out. Bad pass picked off by McManus. Oh, ball's on the ground. Where is it?
Come on, Brady.
Oh, we need that. What do we got? They're calling a loose ball push. And 7:55.
Here you go, Chase.
Hold on. Chase comes up with it.
Run, Chase, run!
Kid with the pink cleats is not happy. Rooney.
It's all you, Chase.
We're back to the penalty's officially killed, so we're back to 6-on-6 here. Rooney's getting swarmed by number 3. And we pull back another possession at least. Sorry, I'm panning here while I'm trying to see something else. Oh! All right, so that was McManus to Travato. Travato gets leveled, but on the shot, on the hit, he throws a shot out, puts another point on the board, sets the score 6-3. We're joining back here after a tornado goal. Facing off, near side we've got Maloney, far side, I can't tell who that was, looks like, couldn't tell, sorry, still trying, all right, so it was Costantino was down for the face-off, and he was flanked by Maloney and Cunningham. I've got, stupid thing, 5:40 remaining on the clock here in the fourth quarter. Present score 6-3. Number 20 spins, shoots, passes. That pass goes out of bounds. Oh, they're calling it a shot. Not sure if that was a bounce or a shot or a pass. Long pass to Costantino is completed. Passed up to Travato. Travato goes infield. Looking for a pass. Switches hands. Nice job there, Jack. Way to protect the ball. Sends it to Rooney on the GLE. All right, calling to slow it down a little bit. Under 5 minutes remain. Let's play their game against them now. What? What? Another phantom call in favor of the Mad Dog team. So I believe that was a crease infraction they were calling before, but nobody seems to know who it was.
Go, John, get him!
All right, Johnny Mullins chasing the ball down against number 11 on the far side. Under 4 minutes remain.
Behind you! I know you're tired. You got it in you, Johnny. You got it in you.
Shot saved by Parkin. Pass to Coleman is complete. Rooney's going to try to get in front of this man. Getting boxed out. Rooney hockey sticks it to Braden. Oh, all right. That's some teamwork there. So Couple of hands on that ball. Travato's able to scoop it up, shovel it over to Rooney. Rooney jams it in for the 7th goal of the game. Present score, 7-3. Near side, Dylan Lang. Far side looks to be Morioni. We got a face-off infraction on, looks like Cunningham. Present score, 7-3. Just over 2 minutes remaining here in the 4th quarter. Number 3 winds, doesn't shoot. Pass batted down by Wyatt. Ground ball off the crease, scooped up by number 4. Is everybody number 4 on this team?
There he goes. There he goes. Go, go, go.
Morioni comes up with it, racing across midfield. Nice spin move there. Dodging, dodging, dodging. Passes off to Travato. We've got 47 seconds here remaining in the game. Rooney's got it behind the cage. Pass. There it is. So Rooney to Drummer. Drummer drills it in. Puts another point on the board. Making the score 8-3 here with 28 seconds remaining. We are just about to face off here. I'm showing 3 seconds on the clock. And there we go. Game over. Final score, Tornadoes 8, Mad Dogs 3. We will see you at the next one. Enjoy your watermelons.